Okay, so we're going to show you now how to connect to the passive speaker with the speaker cable. So straight out of the box, you'll get the connection like this. So one side is pre-done for you. So then you simply take the end off. That section. So what that does now, that exposes the inside and the connection. So we'll feed this to here. Feed this onto here. Push that firmly down. And then on. Okay, so when it comes to connections, make sure you go from brown to brown and blue to blue. So I'll just do these now. Screwdriver, flathead. Same again. So now they're firmly on, and again, blue to blue, brown to brown. So now then simply go back inside, end on, end on. Do up until it's nice and firm, and that's it, and it's that simple.